Gatatu ga kiumia giki niguo mbunge ya kaunti ya Meru yakinyanirie itua ria kuhagura ngavana Kawira Mwangaza. MCAs 67 gatagati ka 69 magikinyaniria itua riri. Ni kumana na itua riri riu ambunge atumia mwahu-ini wa Azimio mahitite ndereti ino mbunge-ini ya Senate makienda Senate iteanirie cira uyu.
Governor Kawira has been vocal and steadfast on the need for a comprehensive audit of the outgoing regime, accountability and transparency prior to settling any pending bills, lest she ends up paying hot air or ghost budgets. This has not been received well, and we feel the MCAs might be acting on behalf of persons not happy with the Kawira's fame position.
Ambunge aya marauga ihinda ni ikinyu mahinya ma MCAs mekirirwo mihaka kuona Kawira uria wina thikũ 112 tu wabici-ini ndarahorwo bara ya kwaga kuheana motungata.
Zile kaunti zingine magavana wameteua mawaziri wao, wameteua CECs na chief officers. Mama hajapewa nafasi hata ya kufanya hivyo, kuunda serikali yake. Sasa tutamjudge ama tutamhukumu aje kwamba hajatenda wema na hata hajaanza kazi, anjaunda serikali.
Agitetera Kawira ugite akoretwo agithingiririo arekererie mbeca imwe cia ari cia tafarira itakinyanirio thirikari-ini hituku.
Tuko na pending bills ya over 1.4 billion na zote kama nusu yake ni fake. Hakuna kazi imefanywa. Sasa wanataka ile wanifinye waniambia wataweka impeachment motion, ndio sasa wakiniambia lipa ile barabara ninalipa ndio nisikuwe impeached. Andika bibi yangu ninaandika ndio nisikuwe impeached. Weka mtoto wangu pale niweke ndio nisikuwe impeached. I welcome that impeachment. Wacha tukutane na hao
MCAs bunge-ini no maugite Kawira ni onanetie uhuthiri moru wa wabici kwandika andu metainwo kuhe muthuriwe murega vaisho mawira matari ma kiro giake gatagati ka mangi.
If the MCAs feel that they need to remove her, the best thing to do, and we are saying as women of Kenya who are elected by the people of Kenya, that they should give Kawira a chance to serve. And if they are not satisfied with her, we are, as Kenyans are saying, we are not also satisfied with them. Let them go back to the ballot and call for fresh elections.
Keri ga kiumia turorete niguo gikaro kia mwanya kia mbunge ya Senate gigatafanio niguo mwerekera wa cira uyu uhariririo. Cira wa Kawira ugutwithanio na njira igiri iria ni miena yeriwe na MCAs maheo mweke metetere kana kamiti ya memba 11 mbunge-ini ya Senate matwithanie rucio rwake. Senator 28 gatagati ka 47 nio mabatie gutua kana cira uyu ni uguthie na mbere kana wikio ja.
Any question?
Ifotera Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Mwaura wa Ndung'u.